a great choice today with the 2020 Ford Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, passenger airbag, power door locks, MP3 player, bucket seats, power windows, auxiliary audio input, daytime running lights, rear head airbag. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.